Extreme FBS4 DSM Tool, Emergency Counter Reset Function. In this video, we demonstrate how to reset the DSM Emergency Counter without resetting the entire module. The vehicle is equipped with an FBS3 DSM module. First, we verify the condition using Mercedes-Benz Xentry. We open actual values and navigate to Gear Selector Switch. Here we can see number of activations of redundancy system, 99. This confirms that the emergency counter has reached 99. Now let's connect to the same DSM module using the Extreme FBS4 DSM Tool. We start by reading the module information. The software automatically identifies